Hello my gorgeous and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another what's in my makeup bag for the month of April. So if you guys are interested what I picked up for the month of April, please keep watching. So all the product I have put in this makeup bag, so we're just gonna open that one and I'm gonna show you guys what I have picked up for the month of April. For my primer this month, I'm gonna use Too Faced Hangover Primer. I have pretty much used all of that, probably like that much left. So I'm going to start using this one for this month, and probably I will be able to finish this one. So that's my primer for the month. And for my foundation this month, I'm going to use the L'Oreal True Match foundation, and it's in the shade 4D4W, if you guys will be able to see it. So this is the foundation I'm going to use this month. And for my concealer for this month, I'm going to use MAC Pro Long Wear Concealer. I used this one last month as well, as I mentioned in my previous video, which is like I didn't even get a chance to edit it. So hopefully it will be up tomorrow before the end of March. And for my brows, again, it's from Benefit Cover Brow, as in my previous video as well. I'm just trying to finish it, so it will be the same for this month as well. For my contour this month, I'm going to use the Maybelline Master Bronze palette, which look like this. I bought it like last year, and yeah, these are all the shades. It's pretty good actually, I quite like it. So I'm going to use this one this month. For my blush this month, I'm going to use the Tarte Real palette, and it has like lots of blushes. As you can tell, I always lean towards these ones. I have hardly used the top row. So yeah, these will be my brushes, and normally I use Concept pretty much like all the time. So yeah, this is my blush palette for the month of April. I think I have put it into my makeup bag for the month of April. It's from Hourglass, and that's their Ambient Lighting Powder and Diffuse Light. I bought it like probably like 2 years back or something like that, and the girl recommended me to use it under my eyes for concealer, but I don't really like it under my eyes. I don't think so it does anything to stop under eye creasing. So I'm just gonna start using this one like as probably like my face powder, and just for the sake of using it, I'm just gonna put it as my face powder for the month of April. So that's that. So for my highlighter this month, I'm using Joy highlighter in the shade Turquoise, which look like this. It's beautiful highlighter. I'll just swatch it for you actually. Which look like this. It's a very beautiful highlighter. It's like one of my favorite highlighter. So for my eyeshadow palette this month, I have picked up Zoeva Rose Golden palette, which look like this. And if I'll open it, these are all the shades. I love their Cocoa palette, and I pretty much use it like every other day or so, but I haven't used this much as I want to, probably because it doesn't have much crease color, and I always have to go back to another palette to complete the eye look. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna give this palette another chance. So this is my eyeshadow palette for the month. And for my mascara this month, I'm going to use the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. This is like the mini size one. So this will be my mascara for the month. And for my face spray, I'm going to use the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus. As you can see, it's only a little bit left, so I'm just trying to finish it. So this will be like my face spray for the month of April. So hopefully I will be able to finish this one probably like in the middle of April or like whole April, I don't know, but hopefully it will be done by the end of next month. Alright guys, so that's all the makeup product I have picked up for the month of April. Do let me know what products you guys are using, what's loving, what you're hating in the comment section below. Alright guys, so if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already so you won't miss any videos, and until then I will see you guys in my next video. Bye gorgeous!